Have you ever wondered why you can't crack top IT interviews? Many candidates struggle due to a lack of knowledge in data structures and algorithms. Feeling stuck? Meet Data Structure and Algorithms, an app that trains you in data structures and algorithms from scratch to mastery. With our app, prepare effectively for interviews. How it works. Access a comprehensive collection of frequently asked interview questions and answers. Explore coding programs in various programming languages to enhance your skills. Utilize an online compiler for hands-on coding practice and instant feedback. With expert guidance at your fingertips, we make mastering DSA accessible. Users can learn DSA comprehensively, providing a solid foundation in data structures and algorithms. Practice coding regularly to enhance problem-solving skills. Improve chances of cracking interviews at top MNCs with targeted preparation. Gain confidence in technical interviews through structured learning. What our users say. Sounds great? Data structure and algorithms. Download now and take the first step towards interview success. Install.